Toyota Sienta install Lenovo D1 Plus 10-inch Android big screen player with good fitting OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. So this is the OEM big screen casing. Also add on reverse camera, could go dark view 170-degree, rear camera and front camera with two-way converter. Rear camera. After reverse will auto turn to front camera 10 seconds for two-way converter function. And also you can use for menu press, first press for front camera, second press for reverse camera, third press for home menu. Full menu. You can go to setting to connect internet for your hotspot sharing data and check for the system, storage, display. Available Play Store for you to download application, example like YouTube, Waze. And also can pairing your Bluetooth with phone call or Bluetooth music. Radio. And also available to connect the steering control with plug and play socket. Music for connected your USB slot. For two USB slot will putting on your drawer side. So this is the two USB slot. So this is Lenovo Android D1 Plus 10-inch model installed to Toyota Sienta, connecting with original steering control, installed by one piece. Thank you.